You plant the seeds of change to supersize and grow your business, or pull the weeds when they pop up along the way as you're growing and building and supersizing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is to plant the seeds of change. And this is an often used metaphor. It's been used for centuries. It's in the Bible. There's actually 17 references, and I looked them all up, in the Bible that mention planting seeds and the importance of planting seeds. And of course, it's a metaphor of beginning or developing things. If you plant seeds, you're going to create or grow or harvest something. And I guess to me, this idiom reminds me that we can either be proactive or we can be reactive, meaning we can plant the things that we want. We can put out into the world and give value and put out the things that we want, or we can just respond and react to the things that come our way in life. And I think sometimes we do, I do anyway, a combination of both. I plant seeds to create what it is that I want to see in the world, but I also know that I have to react and respond in a positive way to change and to things that come up, because change is inevitable. It's always going to happen, always has, always will. It's kind of like death. We're all going to die someday, just like our plants are going to die someday, unless we do things to replant and create continuous harvests, things like that. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom. I know we've talked about it before. Planting seeds is a very popular idiom. Why? Because we can all relate to it. We can all visualize it. Almost all of us have at some time or other had a plant and watched it grow and had to feed and water and nurture it. Or we've actually planted gardens or planted seeds or planted herbs and grown things on our own. Especially as children, I know when I was growing up, we had a huge garden in the back of our property that used to actually be a pigsty. So it had great soil and a lot, it had been fertilized for years. It had been used for raising animals. And so there was a lot of, what makes great fertilizer down. And so we grew amazing things. And my dad traveled all over the world for his job back then. So he would bring home different things and we would plant different seeds and grow different things that were popular in different parts of the world. So it was really fun. I mean, we grew popcorn and peanuts and Japanese varieties of things, and it was just fun. And I learned that sometimes you plant seeds and things grow. Sometimes you plant seeds and almost nothing grows. Sometimes you plant a whole bunch of seeds only to get a little bit of a harvest. And other times you plant little bitty seeds and you don't know, but years later you reap a huge harvest in return because of the little seeds that you planted. So always be kind is my perspective on that one, because you never know how you might be impacting other people. And I don't know about you, but I want to make the world a better place, not a worse place. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom. Again, I know we've talked about it, but it's worth repeating because what we put out into the world is indeed what we get back. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.